Good afternoon everyone, I am Jonathan Aris and we are here at the Mr. Pares in Tagaytay together with my girlfriend's family. By the time we reach Nasugbu, Tagaytay, me and my girlfriend's family ate in a place called Mr. Pares. As you can see, there are a lot of people here want to try the famous Pares here in Tagaytay. After this, we will go into Picnic Grove, but let's try their Pares first. So we're here at the Picnic Groves Tagaytay. And just to give you a knowledge about these tourist attractions, this is one of the most popular here in Tagaytay. It is one of the few places on the Tagaytay Ridge where travelers can see Taal Lake and the mighty Taal Volcano. There is an eco trail where tourists can enjoy the cool Tagaytay breeze while getting in touch with nature. Let's go and I'm gonna tour you here in Picnic Groves, Tagaytay. We tried the famous activities here in Picnic Grove, such as horseback riding. They are offering a souvenir photo package with the horse. And also they are selling some toys while your kids are bored. I am here at the large portion of the eco trail is made up of boardwalks and bridges that are surrounded by beautiful trees, and where you can see the Taal Lake here. And that's all. Thank you for watching.